I'm Deeksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to stick fake lashes. Guys, if you're watching me for the first time and if you like what you watched, then please do consider subscribing my channel. Before even talking about or showing you guys how to stick fake lashes, I would like to cover this topic. Where and which lashes to choose. There are a lot of sites where you can buy lashes from, like Chinese website like AliExpress, Wish, where you can get 5 to 6 pair of lashes for just 200 to 300 rupees. And then there is Amazon, which has like wide range of lashes. One of my favorite lashes from Amazon is Euro Paris. Do check that, guys. And then is my recent favorite, that's Shein, which sells awesome, almost real looking lashes. Choosing lashes from Chinese websites are a little tricky. These false lashes are plasticky and very difficult to stick because they are too stiff. And while buying any lashes, do check the lash band if it is black or white, because though you use a very good liner, the band will peek out. You can see it here. Next most important is the lash glue. I have 3 glues here. The first one is from the lash box itself. I got this from Primark and it stayed really good, and there's a lot of product left. And the next one is also a super good brand. It's Fingers. I don't know where you can get these from. I bought it from Europe, and it has like a brush applicator, so it's very easy to use, and dries off like very quickly. And next one is the best one, and you can get it here as well. It's a DUO Lash Glue. You can buy them from Sephora. I would not recommend you to buy it online because you can get fake ones. This is super good glue. To lashes come in bigger sizes, so you need to see it and cut it according to your eye shape and size. So what you'll have to do is keep the lashes on your eyelashes starting from where your eyelash start, and measure it and then cut it off from the outermost end. So this one is from Shein. These lashes are from Shein. It's super natural looking lashes. Now take a little lash glue and with the help of eyebrow plucker or any brush, apply a very thin layer on the band and apply a little more on both the ends so that it helps to stick, and let it dry for about 30 seconds. When the glue gets tacky, it's time to stick. And bend the lashes like the way I'm showing it to you guys here. This is going to actually give that shape of your eyes. And once it's dry, it's time to stick it. So what you can do is you can use a plucker as well to stick it, or else you can just with your help of your fingers you can stick it. So what I do is I stick the outermost corner first and then place the innermost corner. This is how you do it. Stick it very close to your lash line because we really don't want it to look fake. And I'm so sorry guys, I didn't have a cameraman here, so I had to shoot it all by myself. I need both of my hands to stick my lashes. Here I had to use only one of my hand. And this is what you do. It's totally okay to adjust it here, because the lash glue you see here is going to dry off and it's going to be clear. Just press it, press both of your fake lashes and your real lashes so that it just gets merged in between. I'm so sorry guys, I forgot to show you this. Before applying fake lashes, I did apply mascara so that it gives that nice lift and shape. Just a tip guys, while applying fake lashes, let the glue dry for at least 30 seconds. If you don't let it dry, this is what is going to happen. It's just going to move all over the place, and your eyeliner, it's going to get messy. So always keep that in mind. Don't try it before 30 seconds. So here it's done. Now it's time to apply liner on top of the lash band so that it covers it. So once you're done with applying eyeliner, it's time to apply mascara so that you mix the fake lashes and your real lashes, and that's going to look nice. But personally, I really don't like applying mascara here because it feels a little heavy. So you can see how it looks. It's just a close-up, and while taking this off, it is very easy, guys. But if you wear mascara, it becomes a little difficult to pull it off because it's going to stick with your real lashes. So what you can do is, with the help of a plucker, you can just pull it off, or I am really very comfortable pulling it with my fingers. This is how you take it. It is just painless and very easy. It's not going to hurt even a bit. Taking care of fake lashes, now if you take good care, you can at least use for about 10 to 12 times. I think this is the lash which I've used almost 6 or 7 times, and you can see how it looks perfect. Now once I'm done using my lashes, I just take it and keep it back in its place, in its box. And the next time while I use it, what I do is, with the help of a plucker, I try to pull off the glue band here. Just nicely clean it. You can even use your fingers to pull off the glue, so that I wanted it to look nice. That's the reason I'm using a plucker here. Then I take a cotton and take this Garnier Micellar Water. It's a makeup remover. You can use any makeup remover, and I just clean my lashes with the help of this makeup remover. Very softly I just rub it off. Can see it's almost clean. The last step, what I'm going to do is, I'm taking rubbing alcohol, which is going to clean it completely. So again, I'm taking a little, just going to damp the cotton with this rubbing alcohol, and I'm just going to clean this. That's it, guys. Then I'm letting it dry for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I can use my lashes. These lashes are from Shein. I think I've already told this, guys, to you, but what I'm actually trying to tell here is, you don't have to buy a extremely high-end product like Huda eyelashes and all. You can get for 300 or 400 bucks, which is super cheap, and they are natural looking. I'm not sponsored here to tell this. Anyways, I'm going to give all the link in the description box. You can check it out. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.